Hi everyone, this is David at Elite Edge's Sharpening Service, and thought I'd do a little video and take you through the process of start to finish of sharpening a knife, and we'll see what we can do with this knife here. This is a Cuisinart knife, and I don't know if you can see the edge is pretty beat up. A lot of chips and dings in it. We're going to test it here on the tester, see what we're starting at. That's pretty dull. So we're going to run it through the process here, and this is our setup. We've got the 3 different wheels. We've got 180 grit, a 600 grit, 1000, and then we've got on the end down there is a felt wheel that we use for deburring and honing. So we're gonna get going here. Position my camera, and just see the process. So we're going to sharpen it. I've already set my angle, raise these bars to adjust the angle. We're going to do 18 degrees per side, and that should give us a pretty durable edge. Now I'm only going to do the 180 and 600 on this knife because you don't really need the 1000. That's just if you want a mirror polished edge. Back here. Almost gone. Just knocks that burr off of there that we raised on the other wheels. drop the edge a little bit. Alright, so now got a nice looking edge on there, but let's see how sharp it is. Test clip here. Let's see what we got. .88. That is a vast improvement. That's sharper than razor blade. So, pretty good. Let's see if it'll cut some paper. Everybody likes to see the paper. Not too shabby. There you go.